Today, I'll show you how to make a real, classic, polished, long baguette toasted sandwich with mushroom known as Zapiekanka, a crispy baguette, aromatic mushrooms, and gooey melted cheese. This is the taste of childhood that we all love. Start with garlic butter, and for that, you'll need a lot of garlic. A lot. You can chop it, crush it in a garlic press like I do, or use dried garlic. Mix it with butter, salt, pepper, and marjoram or thyme. Stir well, and your garlic butter is ready. Now it's time for the mushrooms. I used brown mushrooms because they contain less water than white ones, which makes them taste better. You can either grate them or slice them. It's up to you. Both methods work perfectly. Then toss them into a pan and sauté for about 5 minutes with some salt and pepper. Next, take your baguette, cut it in half lengthwise, and generously spread the garlic butter on it. Then, layer on the sautéed mushrooms and sprinkle with mozzarella and cheddar cheese. You can also add salami, bacon, or any other cold cuts you like. The choice is yours. Now, pop your zapiekanka into an oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake until the cheese melts and turns crispy on top. Finally, drizzle it with ketchup and sprinkle with crispy fried onions and chopped chives. You can also add some mayonnaise. It smells amazing. The cheese stretches beautifully, and the baguette is wonderfully crispy. The legendary Polish street food, zapiekanka, is ready. Be sure to try this recipe and let me know in the comments what toppings you like to add to your zapiekanka. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video. Enjoy!